Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me again, Faishal. So today I'm gonna deliver about my newest UI projects. That is my final project. That is UI app designs. And in this video, I'm not just about to demo about my UI, but I'll give to you how to make some element in my final project of UI. So let's get into the UI design. Okay everyone, so here is my Figma file, that is Fodeast. So I make this project not by myself, not just by myself, but I made this project with another three of my friends. So this is a team projects, and this is my UI final project for UI. So the name of my UI is Foodist. Food is. So why I give it name Foodist? Because uh, this app is special for Eastern food, like from Arab Saudi and another like that. So like that, and then uh, like like you can see here, this is an app food app UI, and here it have many of features and a lot of components. So here is component that we use here. There is many of element, there is many card, many color palette. So let's start. So let's start from the first. So this is the splash screens, just a normal modern classic splash screens with our logo here. So just a simple logo, but it's meaningful. And then this is another splash screen. It is for the transition. And then I will hide the grid. So this is for the home page, and this app use Bahasa. So the first here, you can change your locations. You can click on your profile, and then you can search for food that you want to eat. And then this is some recommendations. This is the navigation bar, that is best, near, promo, all food. And then this is the taskbar. Wait, no, this is the navigation bar, and I forget what the name of this bar. Just say it, categories. So this is the categories you can click. And then the next, there is a search page. There is a search screens. So when you click this one, this element, that is search element, it will directly take you to the search screens. In here you can use the filter, but this is just the UI, because this is just a UI concept, but it have many of feature. There's a history of search, what have you searched before, and then you can filter your search, you can back to your homepage and others. And then next, account screens. So to enter this account screen, you have to click the profile button here. So in the homepage there is profile button. You can click it and it will take you to the account screens. In the account screens, there is a history food that you have ordered before, and then you can click here on profile and anything. And after that, there is profile screens. So in the account screens, when you click the image of your profile, it will take you to these screens. Yeah, just a profile like that. And I think you will asking why screens is very why there is just 6 screens. Is that enough for these projects? No. So the secret why the screen is just 6, it's because I and my team use a lot of components and cards. So we use overlay prototype. So with overlay prototype, we not have to make a new screens. We just link it to new element, and then we can get it to our screens. So after the screens, I will describe the card and things that we use. The first is best screens. Best screens. You can enter this best screen if you click the best categories in the home screens, and then near in this near it will shows your locations right now, and then it will shows food recommendation that nearest to you, and seems like the best categories. You can click the near button in the home page. And the last one is promo. So like best and near, you can access the promo screens in homepage with click the promo buttons here. So next, about food detail. So just for your information, so all of the food here like sarma, samosa, pie, nasi kebuli, it can be clicked. Later uh, I will show you the result. It can be clicked, and it not take you to the screens, but it will show the element card because we use overlay prototype here. So we not have to make a new screens, but we can choose an element that we want to show. So like this of overlay, I will show to you how to make it too. So here there is sarma, it will show. So the card will show like this. So this is the card. There is various type of food, and then the setting. So to access the setting, you can click in the account screens. You can click in these buttons, in these three line buttons, and it will shows the overlay of settings and locations. And then the next one is locations. So for access this one, you can click the home page can click this bar in the home page, and then you can click the locations. And this is same like the food detail card, but there is a promo. There is a promo element here. So here beli satu dapat dua and others. And then next to nearest food detail. Yeah, just like that. And then this is the app screens. Let's next to the component screens. There is a lot of, so in this component screens we put all of our elements and other components that we use in these projects. There is our logo, color palette that we use, reference, and then the card of foods, the categories, and the file structure of our project is very clear. I cannot access, but it was clear because we use a lot of components, like here, right here, right here. It was very clear. And then so I will demo it first. So let's see the demo. So let's start from the splash screens. So this is the splash screen. It will automatically take you to the home page. Just wait a second, and after that this is our home page. So in this home page we can scroll like this. You can scroll like this. You can scroll it like right here. And the first thing, if you want to change, this bar shows your current locations, and if you click it, you can change your location, edit your locations. And when if you want to close this UI, you can click the background and it will automatically close. After that, in the paling popular sections, there is 4 foods that's recommended for you. So the first, like, let's click the sarma. So So the card will show like this, and another. Okay, bite, Sikabuli, and then that's the card. And let's get into the profile sections. You can click these buttons to access. Oh yeah, I use the iPhone 14 Pro Max for this UI, for the frame of this UI. Yeah, you can only click 3 buttons here. That is profile. Like see, um, I have told you before, profile, and then back to your account screens, and then click these buttons, and then there is notifications, and click the background for close. Let's back to the home page, and then let's click the search bar, so it will take you to the search screens. So this is the preference, and then let's go back, and then let's click the best categories. You can also click it like this. You can also click it, all the food you can click, and then search bar, click the search bar, it will take you, and then the nearest. So you can edit your location here, too. So after that, you can also click it. So almost all of the buttons here or the cards can be clicked, like here and like here. Okay, maybe that's the demo. So after that, I'll show you to how to make some overlay prototype, because I just learned about this overlay prototype. So first, overlay, to use overlay prototype it's not like the normal prototype that will direct you to another screens and will change the current screens before. But the overlay prototype will shows the element that you link in your screens, but it not change your current screens. Like just an example, maybe I'll click this Sarma card. I'll click it, the background not change, but I don't have to make a lot of prototype, because I use overlay prototype, like here, overlay. When on tab, open overlay, and where it open, in the food detail in the Sarma card. So the Sarma card element, the detail food element, will shows in these screens, right here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so maybe that's all from me. Wait. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see the prototype, I will give the Figma prototype link in the description below. So stay with me for another of my project. I'm Faishal. See you next time.